Buying online can be tricky. It's hard to know what you're getting and why it costs what it does. So this video is to help you understand that better. This is a pretty solid panel. It's made of 2mm thick steel, weathering steel, and it's precision engineered and ISO certified at every stage of manufacture to ensure it's always the same. A solid, strong product. I can't shape this in any way. It's not moving. It's very sturdy. So these panels, I should mention actually, being weathering steel, that's designed for use outdoors. It will develop a fine rust patina on the surface, which inhibits further rusting. It just continually generates its own protection and gives you that lovely orange color, which you can see developing on this planter. Actually, if you have a closer look at this planter, we can look at some of the design features. So it's got a nice boxy top. It's nicely rounded here and here, so it's smooth to touch. We also have really neat joins and seams, and this all happens because of the precision engineering aspect. There's guide holes that line up, so you're going to get it right every time. In terms of who's using our products, well, it's designed for DIY, for people doing this for the first time, but professionals love it. They've been using this product a lot, and it goes together really easily for them. And another advantage is that it takes away the need for bespoke custom fabrication of planters off-site. So that can be a costly exercise, but with this option, you simply buy the right size panels to create the shape that you need for your space, and then walk them in and build it on site. So that makes it a lot easier. Look, I hope this has been helpful. My intention was to give you a better understanding of what you're getting. So solid quality steel edge that makes, or panel that makes up this solid structure. Very strong, very sturdy, long lasting option. Watch the install video just to see how easily it goes together. And yeah, I hope I've given you the confidence and better understanding around what you get with one of these planters. Thanks for watching.